Ladies and gentlemen, today I receive OpenComm2 from Shokz and OpenRun Pro, also from Shokz. These are bone conducting headphones, one just for sporting, running around, walking. Well, with my fat body, I can only do walk, not run. And this one, you can be using it for listening to music. Obviously, it's a headphone. And you can use it in the office as well because it has this dangly thingy as your microphone. Let's unbox this. Let's start with the OpenComm2. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Okay, it's nice here. It says wireless stereo bone conduction headset. Be aware that a lot of headphones that looks like this are actually not bone conducting. There's a lot of product from China. They claim to be bone conducting, but they are actually not bone conducting at all. Oh, nice. See, oh, this is so difficult. Please, Shokz, have a notch here and a notch here just to make things easier for your user. Ooh, it comes in a nice pouch. Very nice pouch. Let's see what's inside here. We got the warranty card with a serial number. Oh, and I have this bunch of stuff here. Got this warning stuff thingies here, and then oh, instruction manual. That's great. This is great. Oh, it looks like a map. Please make it like a book. Don't like a map. Don't make it look like a map like this. Okay, so let's look what's inside that case over there. Here's the case. Nice hard case. Yeah. So this is the unit itself. Very rubbery. Nice. Nice. Oh, wow. And this dangly thingy can be moved. Can be moved around. Oh, it's a proprietary charging thingies. So let's see where it is. Why is it so difficult? Oh, okay, so this is the dongle. Oh, this is the Bluetooth dongle. So it comes with a Bluetooth dongle, which is a good thing. I always lose my dongle, so yeah, it's good to have that. And because it has its own space over here, I will never lose it. There. Still trying to get to this pouch here. I don't know how to open this. Oh, Velcro. Why do you have to make it so difficult? Okay, it's nice rubbery type of plastic here. Let's open it up. Okay, you cannot open it up without breaking the look of the plastic, so it's completely messed up now. Nice cable. This is the charging cable, so you cannot charge this headphone without this cable, so don't lose it, right? You just have to Plug it back here. Come on. You can only do it one way, right? So if you try to do it the reverse, the magnet is just going to push your hand away. When it's correct, it's looking like that. This is USB-A over here. Plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. And there you go. It's currently charging. See that red light there? Take it off, then back on again. Boom, it's charging. So while this is charging, let's open the OpenRun Pro. Okay, let me put this aside. OpenRun Pro. Let's unbox this. Really nice here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So the packaging is the same size as the other one. Let's see. Ooh! Even nicer pouch. I actually like this pouch better. Makes better noise as well. Oh, you gotta feel this. This is so amazing. Oh man. Beautiful. Yeah, man. This is so much better than the previous Shokz I've ever reviewed and owned before. This is so nice. Okay, so that goes there. I think. Something like that. Where's the cable? Maybe here? Yes, this is the charging cable. And instruction manual. Oh, Manuel, you're so famous today. All right.
A few moments later.
So after I'm done charging the headset, I went to the App Store and download the Shokz app. I proceed to install it and connect both OpenRun Pro and OpenComm2 UC. And before I do my listening test, I updated the firmware of those two items. During the listening test, I went into the app and I played with the EQ modes. Depending on where I listen to the headphones, sometimes I use the bass boost, sometimes I listen to the treble boost. However, more often than not, I just use the standard mode, which means just flat. Nothing added, nothing taken away. And how's the sound quality? Well, it's surprising how a couple of years make all the difference. I never thought that bone-conducting headphones can be this good. Of course, don't expect it to be an audiophile headphone because, well, they are not headphones. This is something you wear mostly so you are not completely isolated from the world. You still hear the sound from your surrounding very clearly because nothing is blocking your ears. And also at the same time, you can still listen to music in a sense that the soundtrack to your activity remains prevalent, and at the same time, you can maintain your awareness to your surrounding. And because at no time at all these headphones are covering your ears, you never feel fatigue whatsoever. And because of the IP rating, you can wear these in the rain. And also, these stuff comes in multiple colors. You just saw the blue, this is the beige, the pink, and the obligatory basic black. Both items are essentially sounding the same. However, if you need to do a lot of phone calls, a lot of conference, I recommend you to get the OpenComm2 UC. because the boom microphone really enhances your voice when making phone call or doing a conference. And now that it's very close to Christmas, why don't you get them for your family? See link in the description. And now I want to know what your thoughts about these headphones. Please leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and goodbye.